How to be a freelancer on Fiverr. Fiverr is indeed the largest global marketplace for digital services. Where you may contribute your knowledge with the buyers and the general public and earn some money. It's an ideal place for artists of all kinds, content writers, graphic designers, programmers, etc. To start, you need to first create a seller profile, followed by creating a gig. Click on the link in the description box to continue.